Effective goal setting and goal achievement. Title: Effective goal setting and goal achievement. Unlock your full potential. Introduction: 150 words. Effective goal setting and goal achievement are essential components of personal and professional success. Setting clear, achievable goals allows individuals to clarify their direction, stay focused, and take appropriate actions to accomplish their desired outcomes. However, merely setting goals is not enough. It is equally crucial to develop strategies and employ the right mindset to ensure successful goal attainment. In this article, we will explore the key principles of effective goal setting, along with powerful techniques to boost goal achievement. By following these principles and techniques, individuals can unlock their full potential and experience greater fulfillment in all areas of life. The power of setting clear and specific goals. 300 words. It is often said that a goal without a plan is just a wish. To transform wishes into reality, it is crucial to set clear and specific goals. When goals are clearly defined, they become more tangible and achievable. Clear goals provide a sense of purpose and direction, enabling individuals to focus their energy and resources on the right actions. By setting specific goals, individuals can measure progress, make necessary adjustments, and stay motivated throughout their journey towards achieving those goals. 2. SMART goals, a practical approach. 350 words. The SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, framework is a popular method used for effective goal setting. By applying the SMART criteria, individuals can create goals that are realistic, well-defined, and within their reach. 3. Developing an action plan. 300 words. Setting goals is just the first step. The next crucial component of goal achievement is developing a well-crafted action plan. An action plan outlines the specific steps needed to turn goals into reality, breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. By breaking goals into smaller milestones, individuals can experience a sense of progress and accomplishment, which in turn fuels motivation to continue moving forward. 4. Maintaining motivation and overcoming obstacles. 350 words. Goal achievement is not always a smooth journey. Along the way, individuals may face challenges, encounter setbacks, or experience a decline in motivation. To ensure consistent progress, it is essential to develop strategies for maintaining motivation and overcoming obstacles. Additionally, maintaining a growth mindset, viewing setbacks as learning opportunities, and persisting in the face of adversity play a vital role in achieving long-term goals. The monitoring and adapting. 250 words. Regularly monitoring progress and adapting strategies as necessary is crucial for successful goal achievement. By evaluating progress, individuals can identify areas of improvement, celebrate successes, and make adjustments to their action plan if needed. This monitoring process enables individuals to stay aligned with their goals and make necessary course corrections to ensure continued progress. By the importance of accountability. 300 words. While individuals have the power to set and pursue their goals, it can be beneficial to enlist the help of accountability partners. Accountability partners serve as a support system, offering encouragement, guidance, and challenge to keep individuals on track towards their goals. These partners can be friends, family members, colleagues, or even professional coaches or mentors. By sharing progress updates, discussing